Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginataang langka. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need water, kokomama or coconut milk, salt, black pepper, pork cubes, bacon, uh, garlic, onions, ginger, spring onions, chilies, and tomatoes. Okay, to start, I already boiled it. Okay, this is already soft. We're gonna. Mm, mm. And then we're gonna put a little water. Like that. And then we're gonna add all the ingredients. The ginger, the garlic, the onions, the spring onions, the chilies, and the tomatoes. Okay. And then we're gonna add a little more water. And then also the bacon. Okay, guys. And then this one also, the pork cubes. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna add the jackfruit when it boils already. Okay, we will be right back. We add the boiled jackfruit. Oh, okay, we're gonna add paminta, and then we're gonna stir it, and then in a few minutes we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna add another coconut milk. Okay, we're gonna cover first. Okay, guys, I'm going to add another coconut milk, guys. Mm. So that's it's super yummy. I use this one, guys, Coco Mama, because it's easy to uh use, but you can use fresh coconut milk also because that's more good and delicious. Mm. Okay, guys. So this is it. Okay, guys. I'm going to taste, guys. Mm. Mm. Okay. It's already done, guys. Okay. So I'm going to garnish with green onions. Mm. Hey, guys, this is it. Our ginataang ng langka. Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.